How can I open multiple files using with Open in Python? I want to change a couple of files at one time, if I can write to all of them. I'm wondering if I somehow can combine the multiple open calls with the with statement. If that's not possible, what would an elegant solution to this problem look like?
As of Python 2.7 or 3.1 respectively, you can write. Historical note: in earlier versions of Python, you can sometimes use context-lib.nested to nest context managers. This won't work as expected for opening multiples files, though. See the linked documentation for details. In the rare case that you want to open a variable number of files all at the same time, you can use context-lib.exitStack, starting from Python version 3.3. Note that more commonly you want to process files sequentially rather than opening all of them at the same time, in particular if you have a variable number of files.
Just replace in with, and you're done.
For opening many files at once or for long file paths, it may be useful to break things up over multiple lines. From the Python style guide as suggested by @Sven Marnock in comments to another answer.
From Python 3.10 there is a new feature of parenthesized context managers, which permits syntax like
Isso vai descansar, der Signal Sie subscribing.